Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to boost your average order value and how to increase sales in your Shopify store by creating bundles with BundleJET. Really powerful. This is all about making more money per sale with bundles, and I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way. Bundling products, it's a true no-brainer for your Shopify store. Every single Shopify store owner needs to be bundling. You need to be putting this in your strategy for merchandising your products and making as many sales as you can. And when you start doing bundles, you can quickly see an increase in average order value, right? How much people are spending per order, because you're going to get them to bundle products. Instead of buying one, maybe they buy two. Instead of buying two, maybe they buy 4 or 5, right? You can create smart bundles when you use the BundleJET app. It's going to help you increase sales and revenue. And that's exactly what a popular strategy that I'm going to teach you in this video is. We're going to create bundles. I'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you step by step exactly how you can create smart product bundles that feature your best products with the BundleJET Shopify app. And if you want to implement the bundle strategy in Shopify, you might run into some pain points. Most notably, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. So you're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you why BundleJET is the app to use. Must be super easy to use, require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to be a developer. And the app must allow for a lot of different pricing options. Maybe you want to create a bundle where they save 10%. Maybe you want to create a bundle where they save $20. Maybe you want to create a bundle where it's just a brand new specific bundle price. You could do that and a lot more inside of this app. It's also going to maintain all of your inventory numbers and, most importantly, for fulfillment, things like print on demand, drop shipping, personalized products. Everything in terms of your fulfillment will stay the same. So nothing will change. All things automated will continue, even when you do bundling, only because you're doing it the right way when you use BundleJET. This is what I highly recommend. This is what I use, and you see the link directly below this video. If you want to increase average order value, if you want to make more money per sale, if you want to increase your revenue, you need to be doing bundling with BundleJET. And we'll go over the shoulder. Here you see the BundleJET Bundles Made Easy Shopify app. The link is directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to get this into your store. And this is going to be the best way to increase your average order value across your entire store, because we're going to be able to create product bundles that are meaningful, that are curated, that feature our most popular, our highest selling products, or maybe our seasonal products. We're going to have full control over boosting our revenue with these bundles. And it's all about setting things up. It's very easy to do. We're going to create these bundles where customers can actually choose exactly what they want. And if you're doing apparel, like I know a lot of you are, if your products have variants, all of that is included in the bundling, right? They'll have all those options as you see right over here. Large, small, green, right? All your variants will be displayed right in the bundle itself. Really easy to do when you see that flow. And again, this is all about increasing that average order value with the flexibility to do a lot of different options. We could do flexible pricing. We could do fixed pricing. We could do a completely new price, right? We could do buy X, get Y offers, right? These are all kind of advanced functionalities. I really love the build a box functionality, where you can basically allow your customers to create their own bundle with any product that you allow them to. So they can create basically an infinite amount of products. You do volume discounts, upselling, cross-selling offers, all of that right inside of this app. Highly recommended. It's really, really powerful, and it's got the Built for Shopify badge as well. So you know that means it's one of the best, if not the best apps out there. Built for Shopify, you know it's going to work really well, doing exactly what I was talking about, increasing your average order value. So you see the install button. All you need to do, press the install button. We're going to go ahead and go over the shoulder. You'll see how I use BundleJET in my store. Once you install the app, you're going to be brought into the launcher activation. All we need to do is just enable this in our theme. You're going to see that this is going to pop open our theme editor. You've probably done this before with the Shopify apps. Come up over here. We're going to just turn it on or enable it. You see right now we have this is on, here's off. We could even change the color and look and feel over here as well, including the text and all that. The ability to change that inside of our theme options and then app embeds. But once we do that, that's going to basically turn on and enable this app. We can click recheck. It's going to go ahead and recheck and basically say, okay, the launcher was successfully enabled. This means that we've enabled this inside of our theme. So we're ready to go once we start adding bundles, and that's what we're going to do. You could also check out BundleJET.app and see a lot of different examples of the different types of bundles that you can build. We have great support over here. You're able to reach them. You see also the chat widget down here to reach support. You have your settings over here, but really what's going to be happening is add bundle. We're going to be basically creating our bundles over here, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this. And you could imagine you could have a bundle for something like Black Friday. You could, let's say we do Black Friday bundle over here, and we'll say this is a special offer just for Black Friday 2024. And you could add an image over here. What we're going to do is add our products. So I'm going to come over here and add a couple different products over here. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and add my Christmas sweater to the list over here. See, we have variants. They're going to get added automatically. Coming over here, and we could also change the quantity as well if you wanted to. For the second product, I'll go ahead and I'll add my second most popular shirt over here. Birds in the air, so we'll add that over there. Again, same thing with variants over there. And let's say we want to add a third one over here. We'll go into our products, and I'll go here, and we'll add this one as well. So we have our bundle products set up, right? These are going to be the products that are inside of our, in this case, Black Friday bundle. And as we scroll down here, we have a few more options in terms of how we're going to be doing our discounting. And we can discount basically the bundle setting over here. Because we have variable priced products, right? This is because we have variants, right? We're going to go ahead and set our discount over here to be new price. So, we can give our value range. This is going to be basically what, our retail prices would show. And we're going to go ahead and give it for a little discount over here for Black Friday. So we'll set this up over here. Really easy to set this up because it's really just kind of a one-page setup here. And what's cool is we could duplicate this to make it really easy for us to continue to make bundles, create different bundles over here. But let's go ahead and click View. Because when we click View, we now have a product page. And I'm going to go ahead and add an image so it looks better. So I added a product image over here. You see now it looks just like any other product page. Add to cart button just like any other product. But the cool thing is when this is ordered, because these products are added in here automatically, we're going to have all of our fulfillment work the same way. So it's really, really powerful over here. When we go ahead and add to cart, you see that we have our options popping up over here in terms of our variants. So we'll go ahead and select, we'll go large over here, and I'll take the black, and then we'll go with red, and we'll add these. You see the variant images update as well. This is something that was previously in my cart. So you see the products here. These are going to all work. This is a print-on-demand site, so the great part is all these products are still going to be sent and fulfilled just as they normally would. We just have this updated as a new product over here, our Black Friday bundle with the price that we set. You see the variants and all of the styles sent over correctly. So everything will persist with the fulfillment, and that means automation will still be here with bundling, which is a huge thing. You don't want to lose any of the automatic fulfillment that you have set up here. And when you navigate over into checkout, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about over here. Inside of this, we have the expanded view here. You're going to see each product listed individually, right? See the SKUs here, you see the discounts that have been applied to equal out to the bundle price. But again, these are going to be list item individual, right? So in our order listing and for our fulfillment, each of these three products will have their own fulfillment. Even though we created a bundle product, still on the inventory, on the order, and in terms of fulfillment, we're seeing each individual item here. That's super important. We have our stats over here in terms of how many orders we've received. Of course, the sales channels that it's in here, we can come over and click in at any time and make those edits. So you can create other bundles as well, and you can really start to kind of get very specific and granular about types of bundles. And maybe you could do something like, and this is just an idea, you can say something like a leftover inventory. And we could do something like this is final stock. Once it's gone forever. And you could use this as a strategy to get rid of some existing inventory, right? Go over here and add some products that are in here, and maybe you do something like products that have been in your warehouse for a while that you want to get rid of, or products that have a high profit margin that you really want to focus on, right? Or products that have a high perceived value that are going to make a lot of people want the bundle. So you can create as many bundles as you want over here, and you can basically enable them, deactivate, activate them, have them at different times, be seasonal, right? Rotate them, try them out with different marketing strategies. The ability to do any type of bundle, as you see, very powerful. Also, as I was mentioning in the video, different parts or different types of bundling, right? So we did a new price example, But you could also do a fixed amount over here in terms of how much is the discount. So they'll get a $5 discount. Or we could say a fixed percentage off. They can get, let's say for Black Friday, 25% off bundles. Okay, so you can do different types of promotion, but really when you see everything is kind of self-contained here, you can even add it to different collections and have different tags just like you would with typical products. One page setup makes it really easy for you to create as many different bundles as you want. When it comes to settings over here, we'll just go to this real quick. You see that we have bundles that can be combined with things like order discounts, shipping discounts. We're not going to allow any product discounts, obviously, because we've already bundled. We probably have some type of discount in there. Pop-up setting, right? This is going to be, again, where we saw that first thing when we enabled the app, we're able to change the look and feel of that pop-up. We saw the pop-up to show the bundle, in this case, to select the different variants. We could change the different text over here, see different text headers and things like that as well in this area. This is going to be where you customize everything. Otherwise, pretty simple in terms of our settings. We're going to mostly keep it right over here again in terms of seeing all your analytics and your stats and, of course, creating those bundles. So that was BundleJET, and it really was bundles made easy. Again, this is built for Shopify, so you know the app is going to work really well. If you want to increase your average order value, you absolutely need to have this installed. Again, you see the link directly below this video. I hope this helps you make some really cool bundles that make you a lot of money. I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.